Welcome viewers and friends. Here I am with a new topic and video today, and today we are going to explore into the Ayurvedic remedies for arthritis. It's not a comprehensive explanation, but it's a short informative video, and you would be informed about arthritis. First of all, I would like to request people who have just found my channel and started watching my videos to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that you can be informed about such informative videos in upcoming days and weeks. So let's get started. Arthritis, a debilitating condition affecting millions of people worldwide, encompasses a group of chronic inflammatory disorders characterized by joint pain, swelling, and restricted mobility. While modern medicine provides effective treatments, the Ayurveda, which is the ancient holistic healing system from India, offers alternative approaches to manage arthritis. In this video, we are going to explore Ayurvedic remedies for arthritis underpinned by extensive research and empirical evidence. Well, understanding arthritis in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, arthritis is primarily classified under the term called Sandhigat Vat. This condition is attributed to the vitiation of Vat dosha, one of the three fundamental doshas in Ayurveda. When Vat becomes imbalanced, it leads to joint inflammations and pain. Ayurvedic diagnosis and treatment planning for arthritis are founded on an in-depth understanding of the individual's constitution, prakriti, and imbalances, which is known as vikriti. That is why the treatment would also be quite customized and personalized. Ayurveda is not a generalized way of treating people and patients. Basically, every case is different because the vitiation of doshas would happen in different individuals in different way based on their mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual koshas and levels. If we talk about Ayurvedic remedies, there is no one remedy approach in Ayurveda. It works on constitutional approach. So we have to look into the dietary modifications to start with, because no matter how good your supplements, your herbal supplements and your medicines are, but if you don't take care of your diet, if you do not eat food as per your constitution, vitiation of doshas and condition, you will never be cured. So Ayurveda underscores the importance of a diet that pacifies aggravated Vat. This includes the consumption of warm, nourishing foods and integration of spices like ginger, turmeric, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, consumption of ginger, turmeric, and garlic would alone help you to reduce the joints pain and the swelling by at least 30 to 40%. However, you must consume it in a right way. Additionally, Ayurveda advises against the consumption of cold, raw, and processed foods, as this can increase the inflammatory response in the body and can also aggravate Vat. When it comes to herbal formulations, there are quite a few very effective herbal supplements and medicines in Ayurveda which can help you to reduce your inflammation and the joints pain. For example, Gugulu, Boswellia, and Ashwagandha are among the well-known herbs frequently used in Ayurveda to manage arthritis. These herbs are believed to possess anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Scientific research has corroborated the effectiveness of these herbal medicines in reducing joint pain and inflammation. It offers hope for arthritis patients seeking natural alternatives. Panchkarma, comprehensive detoxification and rejuvenation treatment in Ayurveda, may assist in the elimination of toxins from the body and reduce inflammatory responses. Research studies have reported improvements in joint function and reductions in pain levels in arthritic patients who have undergone Panchkarma therapies. Last but not least, the lifestyle modifications. Ayurveda places a strong emphasis on the importance of maintaining a healthy daily routine. This includes regular exercise, adequate rest, and effective stress management. Scientific studies have indicated that yoga and meditation, components of Ayurvedic lifestyle recommendations, can alleviate symptoms of arthritis by enhancing joint flexibility and reducing stress, which often increases pain. Ayurveda employs various external applications and therapies such as herbal oils and paste for pain relief and to reduce swelling in arthritic joints. In fact, there are certain panchkarma therapies which comes in the Shodhana Chikitsa, where you can use those amazing therapeutic oils within the range of those massages and therapies, which can help you to reduce your pain by at least 20 to 30 to 40%. Well, in a nutshell, Ayurveda, with its customized and holistic approach, offers a range of remedies for arthritis management. While Ayurvedic treatments have demonstrated promise in alleviating pain and reducing inflammation, it is crucial to seek the guidance of a qualified Ayurvedic doctor, consultant, and a healthcare practitioner to develop a tailored treatment plan based on an individual's constitution and specific imbalances. Combining the principles of Ayurveda with modern medicine may provide a comprehensive approach to effectively manage arthritis, thereby enhancing the quality of life for those afflicted by this condition. Nonetheless, additional research is imperative to deepen our understanding of the full potential of any treatment, which includes Ayurvedic remedies in arthritis management. But based on my experience with my patients and the clients, I can definitely say that if you follow these 5 different modes of treatment, then you would be able to heal somebody with arthritis quite effectively. So Ayurveda offers a very effective way of treating and managing arthritis as compared to the conventional medicine, which often gives you pain killers and corticosteroids, which are going to give you a far-reaching implications when it comes to side effects and other health hazards. Ayurveda is safe, Ayurveda is non-invasive, and it is also holistic. So let's include Ayurveda for treating our arthritis, and research and the statistics prove in favor of it, because so many people have got benefited when they tried Ayurvedic treatment for arthritis. So this brings us to the end of this video. Hope you like this short information. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe so that we get encouraged to bring more such informative content on yoga, Ayurveda and holistic healing. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take a very good care of yourself.